Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add a literal asterisk to Markdown text. So we'll first create a new Markdown cell, and then we'll add in here a quote. So programming is not about what you know, it is about what you can figure out. So this is a quote here by Chris Pine. If we just run this as is, we'll have the text output here without any formatting. And if we wanted to add literal asterisks around just the name for Chris Pine, and we just added 2 asterisks, we can see here that based on the output, this doesn't actually return literal asterisks. So to actually return it, we need to escape both characters. So we can add a backslash before the first asterisk, and then also backslash before the second asterisk. And so this will make both yellow. If we run this now, we now have literal asterisks before and after the name. So this is how to add literal asterisks to text in Markdown.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.